equation, let roots be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. This is the biquadratic equation. So it has four roots. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Given condition is a sum of the two roots. Sum of the two roots being 0. So take any two of these four. Their sum is a 0. Let alpha plus beta equal to 0. This is only one given condition. Next, take S3 alpha, beta, gamma. So take S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to minus B by A. B value minus 2. Minus of minus 2. A value is 1. Already given alpha plus beta equal to 0. So take in this place 0 plus gamma plus delta equal to 2. So gamma plus delta equal to 2. This is the second condition. Second condition. S3 means sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time. So alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, delta, beta, gamma, delta, gamma, delta, alpha. That is a S3, S1, S2, S3. So minus B by A plus C by A minus D by A minus D by A. Take alpha, beta common. So we get gamma plus delta. Take gamma delta. We get beta plus alpha equal to minus A, B, C, D. D value 6 by A value 1. Substitute 1 and 2 in this place. Alpha, beta, where gamma plus delta equal to 2 plus gamma delta, where alpha plus beta equal to 0 equal to minus 6. Since we apply 1 and 2, listen again. Take S3. Take alpha, beta common. We get gamma plus delta. Take gamma delta common. Beta plus alpha. From second equation, gamma plus delta value 2. From the first equation, alpha plus beta value 0. So 0 into something equal 0. 2. Alpha beta equal to minus 6. This implies alpha beta equal to minus 6 by 2. That implies alpha beta equal to minus 3. This is equation number 3. Next, take S4 alpha into beta into gamma into delta equal to plus E by A. We already know that alpha into beta value is minus 3. Gamma delta E value minus 21 by A value 1. Minus minus cancel. Gamma into delta equal to 21 by 3. So this implies gamma delta equal to 7. 3 table. 7 times cancel. Equation number 4. Solve 1 and 3. Given alpha plus beta equal 0. This is equation number 1. This implies alpha equal to minus beta. Next, third equation. Alpha beta equal to minus 3. This is the third equation. This is the first equation. Substitute this value in this equation, where alpha equal to minus beta into beta equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Beta square equal to 3. Beta equal to root 3 plus or minus root 3. So, from 1, if beta equal to plus root 3, that implies alpha equal to minus beta, where beta value is minus plus root 3. Finally, we get minus root 3. If beta equal to minus root 3, that implies alpha equal minus of minus root 3, that equal to plus root 3. So, two roots are there. One is plus root 3, second one is minus root 3. When beta value plus root 3, alpha value minus root 3. When beta value minus root 3, alpha value is plus root 3. So, already two roots are over. We want 4 roots. This is the biquadratic equation. So, solve 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So, second equation is gamma plus delta equal to 2. Next, gamma delta equal to 7. From this one, delta equal to 7 by gamma. Substitute this value in the second equation. So, gamma plus delta, where delta value is 7 by gamma equal to 2. Gamma LCM, gamma square plus 7 equal to 2. By cross multiplication, gamma square plus 7 equal to 2 gamma. Gamma square minus 2 gamma plus 7 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in gamma. We apply the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, gamma equal to minus b value minus 2 plus or minus b square value 4 minus 4 into 1 into 7 by 2 into 1. So, minus or minus plus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 28 by 2 minus 2 plus or minus root minus 24 by 2 plus or minus 4 into 6 into minus 1 by 2 plus or minus under root 4 into 6 into I square, where I square value is minus 1 by 2. So 2 plus or minus root 4 value 2, root I square value I, root 6 by 2. Take 2 common, 1 plus or minus root 6I by 2. 2 cancel. So remaining 2 roots are 1 plus or minus root 6I. So finally roots of a given equation are plus or minus root 3. These two. Plus or minus root 3. These two. Next. Second page is 1 plus or minus root 6I. Solve this biquadratic equation. So this is the biquadratic equation. It has 4 roots. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Given condition is sum of the 2 roots is 0. Take any 2 of these 4 and their sum is 0. Let we take alpha plus beta equal to 0. Only given this condition only. Using this condition, and already you know that S1, S2, S3 and S4. So using these conditions and this condition, we solve the values of alpha, beta, gamma and delta. First take S1. Alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. From the given condition, alpha plus beta value 0, gamma plus delta equal minus, b value minus 2, minus or minus plus 2, a value 1. So gamma plus delta equal to 2. Next, take S3, alpha beta gamma, alpha beta delta, beta gamma delta, gamma delta alpha equal to minus d by a. Take alpha beta common, gamma plus delta. Take gamma into delta common, beta plus alpha equal minus d value 6, a value 1. This is a value, b value, c, d and e. So substitute equation number 1, equation number 2 in this equation. Gamma plus delta equal to 2. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. 0 into something equal to 0. 2 alpha beta equal minus 6. So alpha beta equal to minus 6 by 2. So alpha beta equal to 3 times cancel, minus 3. That is equation number 3. Next, S4 alpha beta gamma delta equal to plus E by a formula, where alpha beta equal minus 3, gamma delta minus E value 21 by 1. So minus minus cancel, 3 tables 7 times cancel. So gamma delta equal minus 7. So first equation and third equation, they are in alpha beta terms. So solve 1 and 3, find the values of alpha and beta. Next, 2 and 4 are in a gamma delta. Solve these two equations, find the gamma and delta. So first solve 1 and 3. So first equation is alpha plus beta equal 0, alpha equal minus beta, alpha beta equal minus 3. Substitute alpha value is minus beta. Minus minus cancel. Beta square equal to 3. Beta value root 3 plus or minus 3. When beta value plus root 3, alpha value is minus root 3. When beta value minus root 3, alpha value is plus 3. So, this is one pair of the roots. Next, solve 2 and 4. Gamma plus delta equal to 2. Gamma into delta equals 7. From this equation, delta equal to 7 by gamma. Substitute this value in the second equation. Gamma plus 7 by gamma equal to 2. Gamma LCM, gamma square plus 7 by cross multiplication equal to 2 gamma. It becomes 2 minus 2 gamma. This is a quadratic equation gamma. So x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. By simplification, we get minus 24 in this place. Minus 24, 4 into 6 into minus 1. This is the fixed value. I square equal to minus 1. This I is called the imaginary number. Remember this point carefully. I square value is always minus 1. So, remove this one with I square. Root 4 value 2. Root 6. Root I square value I. Take 2 common, 2 to cancel. 1 plus or minus root 6 I. So, finally, these two are the 2 roots and these two are the 2 roots. Total roots are 4 plus or minus root 3, 1 plus or minus root 6 I.